If you're looking to recover your EAFC 25 graphics settings for 2026, follow these simple steps to restore your preferred configurations. Step 1. Locate the configuration files. Find the folder where EAFC 25 stores its configuration files. This is typically in the Documents folder under EA Sports or the Game S installation directory. Step 2. Backup existing files. Before making any changes, create a backup of your current configuration files. This ensures that you can restore them if something goes wrong. Step 3. Delete or rename old settings. To reset your graphics settings, delete or rename the existing configuration files. This will force the game to create new default settings the next time you launch it. Step 4. Launch the game. Open EAFC 25 and allow it to generate new configuration files. This will restore the default graphics settings. Step 5. Adjust settings as needed. Once the game is running, go to the graphics settings menu and adjust the settings to your preference. Save your changes before exiting the menu. By following these steps, you should be able to recover and customize your graphics settings in EAFC 25 for 2026. Enjoy your gaming experience.